मैं एसआर शॉर्ट हैंड क्लासेस की ऑनलाइन कक्षा में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आइए आज स्पीच नंबर 7 लिखने जा रहे हैं, जो स्पीच है कैलाश चंद्रा वैल्यू 1 की। 5 सेकंड में स्टार्ट होगी। द इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी रेजुलेशन ऑफ 1948 was good so far as it went, but unfortunately the spirit of it could not be understood or appreciated by the common man in this country. So a new orientation of this policy was given, and the Honorable Prime Minister, after his return from China, publicly declared that the future policy of the country, or rather the future pattern of society, will be the socialist pattern. That was further emphasized by the resolution passed at the ABD session of the Congress and later retired by Sri Devar, President of the Indian National Congress. I am very glad to say that the spirit of it has been caught by the nation today. If I may say so, the nation taken up the challenge for skewering the socialist pattern of society. It behoves all sections, both inside this house as well as outside, without having mutual recrimination, to try and prorogate it in a sincere manner and establishment the socialist pattern of society indicated by the statements of the great leaders of our country. It may be relevant and pertinent if I refer to a few sentences from the memorandum presented on the 4th June 1939 by our Prime Minister, who was the chairman of All Indian Planning Committee, which came into existence when there was provisional autonomy in the province. On page 39 and 40 of that report, he stated, "It is clear that the drawing up of a comprehensive national plan becomes clearly an academic exercise with no relation to reality unless the planning authority, or those to whom it is responsible, are in a position to give effect to the plan. If this authority is powerless or circumscribed or restricted and has limited activity, it cannot plan. An essential prerequisite for planning is thus complete freedom and independence for the country and removal of all outside control. This implies that the country possesses in itself full sovereign authority to take any measures, adopt any policies, and from any relation with other countries, as may seem best to it governing authority in the interest of the country and its people. National independence is thus an indispensable preliminary for taking all the steps that might be found necessary for carrying out the 5-year plan in all its various aspects throughout the whole country.